Hey everyone, if you're working on a document with classmates, coworkers, or clients, Microsoft Word's Track Changes feature makes collaboration much easier. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn it on, review edits, and accept or reject changes like a pro. So let's get started. Start by opening the document you want to review or edit. Track Changes works best when multiple people are making revisions because every edit is recorded automatically for easy review. Next, click the Review tab and select Track Changes. Once it's turned on, Word will record every insertion, deletion, and formatting change instead of applying them permanently. Now make a few edits to the document. Add new text, delete words, or change formatting. You'll notice that every change is marked automatically. If you want to leave feedback without changing the text, click New Comment and type your suggestion. To review each edit, use the Previous and Next buttons in the Review tab. You can also change the display mode to view all markup, simple markup, or the final version, depending on how much detail you want to see. When you're ready to finalize the document, click Accept to keep a change or reject to remove it. Continue reviewing until all track changes have been processed. After that, you can turn off track changes if no more edits are needed, and that's how to use track changes in Microsoft Word. You know, it's one of the best tools for reviewing documents, collaborating with others, and keeping every edit organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.